Hello students, today's topic is reproduction. Chapter How do organisms reproduce? Reproduction is the biological process by which individual organism produces offspring of their same kind. The word offspring or the progeny is used for the child. Actually, we cannot use a plant baby or earthworm's baby or a cockroach baby. Every time we use the product produced by the parents as a progeny or the offsprings. This may be by the one parent or with the help of two parents. It is of two types, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves one parent, no gametes, and genetically similar offsprings are produced, while in sexual reproduction usually involves two parents, involves gametes, fertilization, and variations are there. Asexual reproduction is of following types: fission, fragmentation, budding, vegetative propagation, regeneration, and spore formation. In this case, only one parent is required. Fission, it is of two types, binary fission and multiple fission, taking place in the unicellular organism such as amoeba. You know that amoeba is not having any particular structure. So, there the division of the organism, because being single cell which is performing all the function of digestion, excretion, locomotion, and reproduction. The cell increases in the size. The growth of the body takes place in the form of a cell which increases in the size, and duplication of the nucleus takes place, or rather you can say the nuclear membrane doubles. The nucleus then gets separated into the two parts, and simultaneously the cytoplasm is being divided by the formation of a furrow on any part from the cell membrane of amoeba, resulting into the formation of the two daughter cells. Each cell produces two daughter cells in case of the binary fission. So, in case of amoeba, this type of binary fission is called orthodox binary fission, where first the division of the nucleus is taking place, then the division of the cytoplasm is taking place, resulting into the formation of the two cells. These cells are genetically and morphologically similar to each other, so they are also known as clones, parents by which a single cell organism divides into new organism. In case of binary fission, paramecium, leishmania, bacteria, certain protozoans, all these are unicellular organisms. Although the type of binary fission can be different, for example, in case of amoeba, it is orthodox binary fission, that is from any plane. In case of the paramecium, it is the longitudinal binary fission is taking. Division is not possible. There the transverse binary fission takes place, while in case of euglena or leishmania, it is the longitudinal binary fission is taking place. So, in case of amoeba, where the orthodox is taking place, there is no fixed plane wherefrom the amoeba will divide into two parts. While in case of leishmania, which causes the disease Kala Azar, the longitudinal binary fission takes place. But in both the cases, the total number of organism or the daughter cells produced is 2.
ये कैसे डिवाइड होता होगा? क्या ये ऐसे डिवाइड होता होगा? लगता है आपको?
Amoeba reproduces asexually by binary fission. Binary fission is a type of asexual reproduction in which the fully grown parent cell splits into two halves, producing two new daughter cells. At the time of binary fission, the amoeba withdraws pseudopodia and becomes spherical in shape. The nucleus splits longitudinally and divides into two daughter nuclei. These daughter nuclei move towards opposite poles. This is followed by the elongation of the parent cell. A fissure appears in the middle of the cytoplasm between the two daughter nuclei, dividing the cells into two equal halves. Thus, two daughter amoebae are produced from a single parent. One of them has the original contractile vacuole, while the other develops a new one. The entire process of binary fission is completed in less than half an hour, but this time varies with temperature.